Okay, YouTubers, this is what we woke up to in Chattanooga, Tennessee today. This is January 10th, 2011. This is definitely not something we're used to. They don't have plows here. Anybody that knows me knows I'm a Yankee from Michigan, and this is not all that unusual for us up there. Down here, not so much. This is between 6 to 8 inches of snow. You see on my mailbox, it's actually quite covered. As my wife said, it looks like a cone head. It's pretty deep. In fact, you can see on the road right there, it's pretty deep on it too. This is going to be fun. Needless to say, I'm not working today. Don't see a lot of people coming out to buy cars on a day like today. And there's my Explorer. Looks like some kind of deformed minivan. I might be mistaken, but I'm thinking I don't need that today. That bush trimmer. Yeah, no. This is really pretty though. I do have to admit that. But I'm not a big snow fan, so I'm going to clean up a little bit and try to get everything ready so we can get out of here if we need to. Although I hope we don't need to.